guys, welcome to another video. So today we've had a parcel come from Melodysusie. Wait until you see this. I'm just going to show you quickly what comes in the box. So we've got a thanks for your order. Got Melodysusie's contact details there if anyone would like those. We also get some really cute stickers. How adorable are these? Love those. Look at this. Love it. Well cute, aren't they? This is their new Fleur-Wee gel polish series. And then inside the box we have got another box. So today we're going to be checking out Melodysusie's P+30G nail lamp. Let's have a look at it, shall we? So we've got the instruction manual there. We're not going to bother taking a look at this today because I've already had a look through it, guys, and I'm going to show you how to use it anyway. So we don't need those today. We've also got the warranty information there, how to extend the warranty. We've got a UK plug adapter, which is really handy. We have got the plug, and then we have got this beautiful lamp. Guys, look at this. How beautiful is that? It's gorgeous, isn't it? So there is 4 different colours to choose from of this lamp as well. So you've got this one, which is the pink. You've also got a white one, which is all white. You've got a blue one. So wherever the pink is on this lamp, the blue will be. So you've got this bit here, and then you've got this bit inside the lamp here. So that's all blue. And you've also got a lilac one as well. So as you can see, it's got the detachable base as well. Great for when you want to clean it or if you want to do pedicures in it. And not only has it got the little sticking up bits, but they've also got magnets on as well. That's going to help it clip in even better. So you just clip that on there like that. And there we go. Just like that. So this is the plug. Obviously, I think that is a US plug, I think. So if you're in the UK like me, you just pop that in there like that, and then you put that in your UK plug socket. This end goes in here like this. So that is how you charge it, because guess what, guys? This is a cordless rechargeable nail lamp. So we do not need to use this. We do not need to have any cables coming from it. Amazing, guys. Amazing if you want to take it traveling with you. Amazing if you're just sick of cables everywhere like I am. Great for any mobile nail techs out there. You can't beat rechargeable stuff, can you? I love it. So I would advise, guys, when you first get your nail lamp, give it a full charge first before you use it. Find if you don't, it doesn't do much good. It's always good to give it a full first charge before you use it. So make sure you always do that. So I'm going to show you how to use it now. And then once I've shown you how to use it, I am going to do a little design using these. Been dying to get these out for a while because last time I really enjoyed using them and I really liked the formula. So we're going to be using these Melodysusie gel polishes today. Guys, how gorgeous are these bottles? Look at these. Big, massive 15ml bottles, but they're just so pretty. Look at those. I love them. I wouldn't mind the full collection of these, to be honest. They are a really nice formula. This white was amazing. One of the brightest whites I've ever used. Really nice white. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a little design using them today. So to start with, let's have a quick look at this lamp first then. So to turn it on, you keep your finger on the on button. You'll see the lights come on there. I'm not sure if you can see that. This is going to be really, there you go, look, can you see? So you can see there, it's fully charged. Can you see that at the top? Yeah. And we've got it on the 30 seconds timer at the moment. So we've got a 30 seconds, a 60 seconds, and a 99 seconds. That 99 seconds is the low heat mode. You know, where it starts off at a low heat and gradually gets hotter and hotter. This is great for anyone that suffers with heat spikes and things like that. This is a great mode for people like that. Or if you've just got certain products, like, I tell you what product I often get heat spikes with, the tip gels. You know, the tip gels to stick full cover tips on with, or Gel-X tips. I often get heat spikes with those. I've only ever tried one brand where I've not had a heat spike. All the others give me really bad heat spikes. So I would use that mode when I'm using nail tip glue gels. So we've got it on the 30-second mode. I'm just going to try and show you this. It's going to be really hard, because these lamps do not like too much light. Actually, let me try and do that. Yeah, there you go. You can see it's on a 30-second mode. This has got a sensor as well. So when you put your hand in, it automatically picks up that your hand is in there, and it starts counting downwards. Take your hand out and it'll go back to 30. Put your hand in and it starts counting down again. Same with the 60 seconds. Starts counting down. And same with the 99 seconds. It starts counting down. But one thing I love about this lamp, and some lamps don't have this function, really does my head in, especially for people like me that doesn't always do designs on hands. I often use tip display stands. So what happens is you put your hand in, the lamp turns on because your hand's in there, yeah? But the minute I take my hand out, the lamp goes off because my hand's not in the sensor anymore. So this has also got the function where if, say for instance, like now we're on the 30-second mode, if you was to press that again, it will do a 30-second cure. And it does that on all of them as well, look guys. So we put it on the 60, and if I press that 60 again, can you see that? So you can either, if you're working on your hands, you could just put your hand in and it will count down from 60. But if, for instance, you're using nail tips or whatever and the lamp wants to go out, just press it again and it will do your 60-second cure. Love that. I've had lamps that don't have that function and I've had to like lob things up the side, you know, something that will catch the sensor. I've had to do that before with lamps and it's so frustrating. So I'm really pleased they thought about that. So I think that's everything about this lamp, guys. I don't think there's anything else really more to show you. But we are going to use it today anyway. So I'm going to leave it there so you can kind of see it. I'll put it there so you can see the settings. There we go. So I've pulled my tip display stands out, stuck some nail tips on there, give them a little buff over, and I'm going to be doing a really quick, easy, beginner-friendly design today. So I'm going to start off by giving this pointer fingernail a full coat of Black Abyss, colour 480. Yeah, from what I remember, this black is black as well. Super pigmented. But although it is super pigmented, it does not wrinkle in the lamp. Amazing formula this is, guys. I would love the full collection of this gel polish series. They've got some really beautiful colours. I have also got a 12% off discount code for Melodysusie as well. If anyone would like to have a look on there, and if you do decide to place yourself an order, don't forget to use Gina12 at checkout and that'll take 12% off your whole order. So look at that, guys. One coat. And look how smooth it is. It applies so smooth. Self-levels beautifully. So let's get that in the lamp before we get any dust on there. Actually, what I am going to do is I'm going to take that base off because you see it's got the fingerprints and I don't want them to fall over while they're in there. So let's put that back down there like that. And then I'm going to pop that on for 60 seconds. Going to do the exact same on the pinky nail as well. So these two, I'm now going to give a full coat of 431 Tiramisu. Really nice base colour this is. Look at that colour, guys. Isn't that a beautiful base colour? Love it. Give that a cure. So that's what we've got to so far. So on these middle two nails, we're going to be doing like a zebra print kind of tip design. So we're going to be using the Snow White colour 479. Wait until you see this white, guys. It is so bright. Look at this. It's so bright. I love it. But I'm going to be doing like a kind of triangle, kind of. And now I've pulled out a liner brush and I'm just going to level them sides out, make sure they're all nice and neat and straight. Then once I'm happy with that, I'll cure that for 60 seconds. And then with that Black Abyss, I'm just going to outline the white. And once I'm happy with that border, I'll just give it a quick flash cure in the lamp for 10 seconds just to freeze it in place. Now we're going to use that Black Abyss again and I'm going to paint zebra print just on that white area. So this is the ring finger nail, but I've done the exact same on the middle nail, but I've done that off camera just to save a little bit of time, guys. So then once I've done the zebra print, I'll cure that for 60 seconds and then I sealed all 4 nails in with a matte top coat, but I've used a different brand for that, so I did that off camera. So now I'm using a black gel paint of another brand. I'm just painting 2 swirly lines either side. Then I'll cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now this is a non-tacky black gel paint, so I can go straight in with my chrome powder over the top of this. I love this gel paint. Just like that. But this obviously is going to rub off because it needs sealing in. So I was just showing you there. I've used the Melodysusie No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. I've popped a little bit on my palette and I've gone in with my liner brush and I'm just going to seal that chrome powder in. And then give that a cure for 60 seconds. And then that is what they look like all finished, guys. You will see I've added a couple of crystals off camera. And that is what they look like being worn. They always look so much better once you get them on your own hands, don't they? I don't like seeing them on them tip display stands. I really, really like them. That black, guys. Can you believe that is one coat? And the white as well. They're really, really opaque. I really, really like that formula. So everything that I've used today, I will leave links for in my description box below. So if there's anything that you have seen me shown that you're interested in, all you got to do is click the link and it will take you straight on over to that product. They are the products that we've been using today. Love, love, love them gel polishes. Really, really nice to use. That lamp was really easy to use, really straightforward. Like I said earlier, great for mobile techs, great for people that just hate cables. Great for people that want to take it travelling with them as well. I love that it's wireless. So I have also got a 12% off discount code for Melodysusie website as well. So don't forget to pop Gina12 in at checkout. That will take 12% off your whole order. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.